हेलो ऑल ऑफ यू, वेलकम बैक टू दिस यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम इसी वीडियो में देखेंगे व्हाट इज द shear strain. So we know that the strain is the deformation for unit length of the body, and the shear means the parallel force act on a body, that is known as the shear force. So here what is the shear strain means पैरेलल फोर्स एक्ट होगा और बॉडी में कुछ चेंजेस आएगा, दैट इज नोन एज shear strain. सो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर एक बॉडी है ए बी सी डी और ये एक पैरेलल फोर्स यहाँ पे अप्लाई हुआ जो कि है एफ. ओके, आफ्टर एप्लीकेशन ऑफ दिस फोर्स, द पैरेलल फोर्स, ओके, द बॉडी इज चेंजेस इट्स ओरिएंटेशन. ये जो बॉडी है, बॉडी का ओरिएंटेशन चेंज होगा. पहले ए बी सी डी ऐसे था, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं ये था पहले ए बी सी एंड डी, एंड आफ्टर द shear force F the orientation is changed, means A to A dash and B to B dash. Okay, so now the body is A B B dash and A dash. So this is the body after application of the shear force F, means the orientation of the body is changed. Okay, this way. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं एक एंगल है अल्फा, जो कि ये जो अल्फा है वो 90 डिग्री से लेस देन है, सो इट इज अ पॉजिटिव. सो ये जो फिगर है यहाँ पर हम देखेंगे तो क्या है, चलिए देखेंगे. तो इसी फिगर में आप देख सकते हैं ये जो ओरिएंटेशन आ गया आफ्टर द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ द shear force F. दिस इज द पैरेलल फोर्स, दिस इज द बॉडी. ओके, so you can see this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis, and when the force applied in this direction, the shear force, this is the parallel force F, then body changes its orientation from this position to this position. Okay, so you can see here a angle is created is phi 2, and here this is the phi 1. Okay, so this phi 1 and phi 2 is the shear strain, we can say. So in this figure you can see for the x-axis you can see the changes occur du, and in the y-axis you can see the changes occur dv. Okay, so here you can easily understand for the x-axis, this is the x-axis line, this is the x-axis line, so du is the respect to the x-axis and dv changes to the y-axis. So here we can say x direction में जो चेंज आया वो du है और y direction में जो चेंज आया वो dv है. Okay, again here phi 1 and phi 2 is the shear strain. Here we can write phi 1 plus phi 2 is equal to phi is the shear strain. Okay, so here in this figure you can see this figure, this is the du, this side is du, and this is the dv, and this is the dy from here to here, dy, and this is the dx. Okay, so here we can find what is the tan phi. So first of all we find the tan phi 1. Tan phi 1 is equal to what? We know that for a right angle triangle, you can see this is a right angle triangle. So for tan phi, the formula for tan phi is dv by dx. dv by dx means this side by this side. Again for tan phi 2, tan phi 2 is equal to du by dy, du by dy. So here we are considering for a very small change, for a very small change, here we can write tan phi is equal to phi. So here we have, you can see, पहले हमको पता है phi is equal to phi 1 plus phi 2. So here also the phi is equal to the phi 1 is dv by dx, dv by dx, and plus phi 2 is du by dy, du by dy. So it is written as the shear strain at x and y direction. Okay, so similarly we can write phi for yzx is equal to dw by dy plus dv by dz. Again for phi zx direction is equal to du by dy plus dw by dx. So you have to remember the shear strain. This is the, you can see this is the shear strain formulas. ये वाला z हो जाएगा. Okay, so this is z. This is the du by dz plus dw by dx. So zx है तो dz and dx, yz है तो dy and dz, xy है तो dx and dy. ऐसे हम फॉर्मूला याद कर सकते हैं फॉर ए 3D फिगर. ओके,